Here this is a first touch, second touch, and this is a third touch on this trend line. What's up, you guys? My name is Amazing Prosper. How you guys doing? Hope you are doing well. So I'm super excited to bring you guys this video again. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I traded this week as a Forex day trader. The thing that you are going to learn in this video is what I applied that helped me make money this week, because this week was so bearish. Like, the market was dropping aggressively. People were blowing accounts because they were trying to buy. You remember what I told you guys last week? If you watched my video last week, I told you guys that the market is on a bearish trend. So whatever you are doing, you have to be on the bear side. This week I did the same thing and I made money. I was trading massively on a sell move. Let's go into the video. If you're new, please consider subscribing. Yeah, subscribe. Like this video for your boy. Like, so that YouTube will recommend this video to other people to watch. Let's go to this video. So I traded so well last week, and which is one of the things that I love that I did was I understand how the market was moving. Yeah, so one thing you have to know as a Forex trader is very big. You have to learn how to apply stop loss. This is one of the things that people don't know. One of my, let me say, my guy, he tested me that he has blown his account. I asked what happened. He said that he didn't put stop loss because he thought that it was just going to be a shallow retracement, like a very little retracement. His account was like $200 and he blew that account with just not putting stop loss. Don't be ashamed to trade with stop loss. Don't let anybody to stop you from putting stop loss. This is the only advantage, or the only thing that you have that you can protect with. This is an order that you say to your broker, please put this stop loss. Once I am wrong, my stop loss will take me out. This is very bad, as some people can trade without putting stop loss. Very crazy and bad. So I just want to drop that so that you can learn something with that. Put stop loss. Stop loss is important. Don't be like people that say, don't worry, the market is going to reverse. No, the market can go deep that your account cannot hold. This is no matter the amount of money you are trading, unless you are trading $1 million account, and irrespective of the account size, if you are trading $1 million account and you are using a big loss size, you will still blow the account. Unless you are trading, like, let's say $1 million account and you are using like one loss size, I may say like, okay, you will not blow it because highest it goes like 1,000 pips, something like that, or 2,000 pips. But if you are using like 100 standard lots, you will blow the account. Imagine some people are using like 200 standard lots. I know some people are doing that, which they are making money from it, but they are using stop loss because they know that if this thing go against me, I'm going to lose my account. But you are trading like $100 account, $200 account, you are not putting stop loss. That's very bad. Apply stop loss, apply proper risk management. Yeah, so let's go into this video. I want to show you guys first how I traded. So here was my trade on Monday. If you have been on my channel, you're supposed to understand what I have told you guys about this break and retest of a trend line, counter trend line. If the market is moving, you draw a counter trend line from here. As long as you have a first touch, second touch, wait for this place. Are you seeing this place? Yes, so you can still have this market play around here. The market break out from this zone, then we test over that place. That was where I got in for a sell opportunity. I exited here once I start seeing a multiple rejection. That's 78.7 pips. That's amazing pips, like very big one, like very great pips move from that place. So my stop loss was just 19 pips above this recent high, this multiple high that it was creating here. That was where my stop loss was. This was on Monday 18th. That was my first trade that I took on Monday. So I didn't trade on Tuesday because the market was moving somehow. I didn't get that move well. For me, I didn't want to trade anything like buy move. Yeah, I had a trend line somewhere here too. But the reason why I didn't take this trade here, because my stop loss was wide, and I know that highest that this market can go is maybe at this place. So let me show you guys something here. I just want you guys to understand how I trade. I had this trend line somewhere here. The market breakdown place showed me a very good pattern that I always trade. But the reason why I didn't take that trade is this. I can't take the trade because I was having my stop loss above here. If I enter here, my stop loss will be above this high, which is about 30 something pips, 32 pips, and my first take profit will be below here, which is about 100 and something pips anyway. But for me, the reason why I didn't take the trade was because I know that this place, this psychology level, is just closer to my entry, so I won't take it. Because had it been that I took this trade and I was waiting massively for a very good weak rejection for me to, where is the trade? Okay, stay with me. Okay, so this is it. So imagine that I took this trade and I was waiting for a very good weak rejection for me to get out. This market will hit my stop loss and take me out, in as much as I have seen like 60 something pips. But I didn't take it because I saw that this market was literally closer to my TP was closer to my entry, which is like 60 something pips, but I was risking 62 pips anyway. Yeah, so I didn't take the trade because I wasn't sure. Let me put it that way. I wasn't clearly sure about the trade. That's why I didn't take it here. So I didn't take this sell. That was how I traded on Tuesday. I didn't make money on Tuesday and I didn't lose money on Tuesday. So here was on Wednesday. So here was the reason why I was talking about that stop loss of a thing. You need to start applying this risk management. I have to shout it all over again. You have to be applying risk management, because if you don't apply risk management, you are going to be doing some certain things that is going to be burning your hand every single moment. No matter how rich you think you are, or no matter how big your account size is, always pull stop loss. So here was the place where I was buying. I was in a really good profit then when I started buying. The market moved in my favor. You can see my strategy. Market break that strategy and I enter here. I enter on that weeks. Once I saw that break of that place, I enter on that weeks. What happened? The market reverse started going down aggressively. That was massive. Here, but I had a stop loss. That was what saved me. So look at it. I have a stop loss of 19 pips. The market hit my stop loss and take me out. It was like crazy. Yeah, but I had a stop loss. So stop loss is not a bad thing. Once you hit a stop loss, that doesn't mean that you are a bad trader. That means that you know how to apply proper risk management and you stop a loss. Very big. You stop a loss. Congratulations. Once you hit a stop loss, say to yourself, congratulations that I stopped a loss. Yeah, so I love that word. I love it so much. Yeah, so let's continue. So here was on Friday. Here was a very big one. Yeah, so this is a very clear one. Yeah, so the reason why I took this trade here was I saw a very big one. First touch, second touch. So the trend line tools that I'm using that I love so much this week was a very clear trend line. This is just a normal trend line. If you know how to use trend line, you see the first touch. I can call this one first touch. Here, this is a first touch, second touch, and this is a third touch on this trend line. This is just a very clear setup here. So I saw this move. First touch, second touch here, which is showing the M pattern that I usually trade. M1, 2, 3. You see it's M pattern. I got in for a sell opportunity, but I hesitated on this next psychology level because I was thinking that it's going to reverse from here. So I don't set take profit, but I set stop loss here. So my stop loss was just like 21 pips above somewhere here. As you see, my stop loss was here, this place, but here where I hesitated because this was a psychology level. I didn't see any major thing to hesitate, but I hesitated because the market was moving somehow and there is a lot of news on the market. So here was it. So you can see that today is Friday. You can see a lot of news was happening today. You can see very clear. Euro everywhere is red bars. So these ones is like the major ones. USD, which is one of the ones that move the market aggressively always. Here 3:45 p.m. the flash manufacturer PMI, flash service PMI. So be very careful. 3:45. This video is going to be dropping like around 4 o'clock after the news, but just trade carefully whenever you see a red bar. So if you want to study the news, if you want to study what this flash manufacturing PMI is all about, you click on this box. It will bring out all the things that you need to read about them. So you close it. The 8 o'clock GDP retail sale that happened, if you click on it, you can read about the news. Change in the total value of inflation adjusted sales sells at the retail value. So all those things, actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So actual was 0.3%, but the forecast was 0.4%. So what this is saying is that the actual was not greater than forecast, so it was not good for the currency. That's what they're saying here. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So actual is not greater than forecast, so it wasn't good for the currency. That was why every GDP pair was dropping. Yeah, GDP was not strong. That was what's happening. So here, GU, GDP USD, GDP USD, you can see that it was also dropping. You can see that it was also dropping aggressively to the downside. Here, okay, I remember this trade. I took this trade yesterday. It's played around. GU is playing with people emotion a lot. If you are trading GU, you are very strong currently. I don't doubt you guys. You guys are very strong. GU is playing with emotions currently. It's behaving like Euro USD currently now. So that was all on the chart. How I traded. So I think I need to do trend line tools, like how to use trend line to trade. I'm going to drop that video by Monday, so you guys stay back so that you can watch that video on Monday. You need to come and watch how to use these trend line tools and trade very perfectly. So that's all guys. So guys, that was how I traded last week. Yeah, so I hope you got value in this video. If you do, please like, subscribe, turn your bell notifications so that you will not miss any of my video, my updates, and everything that I'm going to be doing next. See you guys in the next video.